Good morning from York Rowntree Park. This is our full day in York and then we go home tomorrow. So today we're going to go to the Jorvik Centre and Castle Museum. Not sure whether we'll get anybody anywhere else, but if you want to join us, we'll have a quick look round them. There might be two different videos. I'm not sure what we can video and what we can't video. And we did have a little bit of a wander around yesterday afternoon. There's not much footage, but we had a nice time. So we're going to have a nice lunch and an evening meal out today, and then we go back home tomorrow. So hopefully granddaughters are outside and have had a good time. We'll see you later on. Right, so there's the Jorvik Centre. Can't see very good though, can you? Can you see anything? What's that? Piece of wooden stake, by the looks of it. There's a wall there. So you can't see it very good, but you can make it out, can't you? Is it a wild wolf?
Now visit the Viking Age.
It's alright, it's only a dog. But it's a wolf actually. It's a river foss.
As ships became more seaworthy,
We've got shipbuilders over here.
Vikings created wider trading routes, sometimes using chains of middlemen to carry goods from one side of the Viking world to the other. Silks and the cowrie shell found here suggest trade with Central Asia, the Eastern Mediterranean and the Red Sea. It's possible that
Trading.
like this man made their way to Europe to sell their goods. Slaves spoiled their raiment to
This is slavery, this. Buddy.
It looks like this slave is trying to make his way up to Coppergate. But before we go, he's using
Singer.
anchor from deer to make some everyday objects such as
Animal
combs,
bones.
comb cases, skates and bone pins. Making a comb from anchor could be very time consuming.
Making a comb? See comb?
Were made from many pieces riveted together. Most of these houses went out of use in
The street of Coppergate now, aren't we?
when they were replaced by the oak plank buildings that we'll talk about later. Almost anything, so it would have been a great
Little piggies.
Here's the blacksmith's house. Look inside and you can
Blacksmith's
see
house.
by the fire. Grummy, the blacksmith, was teaching his son how to sharpen a knife he had just made.
No, they're not really. How to sharpen a knife.
Viking Age smiths were masters of their craft, and here in Yorvik they made everything from wood plank.
This is the wood turner.
Only is making cuts and bowls by turning wood such as oak, ash, and coal. You can see all the wooden coal waste in the ground, which children may have used as spoon tools. By the way, it's this trade that many think gave its name to Caravan.
Having dinner.
Another building is being built behind his house. Here, the cellar is being dug out and lined with oak planks before the upper story.
That's that fencing you saw in that.
You can see a stack of turrets over there that are going to be used to roof this building.
Yeah.
Looks like the building.
Realistic, aren't they? Looking at us, looking at us.
This family also trading ships of these that have come up from the North Sea. Here, traders are unloading their goods alongside fishermen bringing their catch. Goods and raw material further afield.
Viking ship there, look.
Here.
See him on dockside there.
Alongside amber, sharpening stones and walrus ivory from Scandinavia, and good wine from the Rhine. Jorvik was truly bustling, a a vast international trading centre.
Viking
Here's
longship.
some fishermen cleaning their catch and mending their nets. Fish from the rivers and the sea were brought into York, and we found thousands of fish bones that tell us exactly what the people ate,
Hello.
which included lots of fish, eels, and even oysters. So these men are probably doing a lot.
And in the fishing nets.
Have a look at the man gutting the fish. His
Gutting
face
fish.
has been reconstructed based on a scroll that was found in the north. Later on in the visit,
Fish waddling.
you'll see more real faces like this. Jorvik spun fleece, then dyed
Can't see the
and
chickens
their own
properly.
wool to make textiles from which they made their own clothes. Natural dye plants such as madder, weld, wool, and dyer's greenery were all rooted by car wheels and with potholes everywhere. This leather worker seems to be having a problem sewing his shoe pieces together and looks like he has Viking's disease, a deep returns contraction, as they travelled and intermarried. This couple here are arguing about what to have for supper, meat or fish.
Meat or fish, what are you at?
Hasn't changed too much over the last 1,000 years. They're arguing in Old Norse, but if you listen carefully, you can hear Old English, Middle Welsh and Old Irish all being spoken in this street. Here's a food seller trying to sell this wealthy-looking woman a cabbage of some sort for her young baby. This woman, we only found 2 complete skeletons in the excavations here, and this one
Do you want a cabbage?
based on one of them. You can see that she's walking with a crutch due to her hip problems and arthritis. You can find out more about her in the galleries to come. Here, we're in a... There is lots of evidence for there being a Viking-era church just behind Coppergate. And there were many other new churches built in Jorvik at this time. Here's a priest administering last rites. He would always have worn a stole round his neck, as seen here, as it marked his priestly status. We found a very small silk in colour.
Didn't wash your hair up to them days.
No, from the 5 tons of animal bone found in the excavation, that the people's diet was quite similar to ours.
Get some meat down here.
Pork and mutton, as well as poultry and fish. Supplying this food
From a cow or something like that.
changes in the countryside we see around at this time. In this backyard, animals have been slaughtered and smelled
Coming up to the
around
toilet.
Viking Age York. As
Coming
well
up to
as
the toilet.
supplying meat, cattle carcasses, particularly in backyards.
Smelling a bit, isn't it?
Toilets would also be situated in the
I think he's constipated.
pits in this year were clearly used as latrines, as they were full of human waste, as well as moss, which was a type of Viking Age.
He's struggling a bit, isn't he? Get some vegetables down here.
Not too happy to be disturbed. We are in our final house. In the excavations at Coppergate, we found a few Viking Age musical instruments, including a set of panpipes which can still be played. Music, sound guitar and poetry must have been important in the Viking world. Iceland and Scandinavia have culturally rich in storytelling. To the gods and monsters
I think that's it. I think we're at end now.
still captures the imagination today. And we can picture what it was like sitting around a hearth, enjoying talk.
It's not a ride like that, no, it's just, no. It's good. It's good. It's what?
Well, it's a skeleton, real skeleton they found. So that's over 1,000 years old, probably.
Stones and the teeth.
It's like in a grave. And you see stone around the edge of it. Silver hoard.
I think that would have been.
Leather shoes. We've got turned millstone there, garnet wheat and that. Plates and dishes. How detailed them spoons are. Utensils and equipment. Cooking and eating. That's a big pot, isn't it? So that's a sock. They must have kept the toenails short because Grandad puts holes in his socks quick. Did you enjoy it? Hey?
Did you enjoy it? Look to Grandad.
Jorvik Centre, yeah?
Enjoy that.
Thumbs up. Good one. Thumbs up. Natural queue for Betty's. Hey? Everybody waiting outside Betty's. Up there, isn't it? Yeah. Emperor Constantine. Carved out of stone.
I'd never look at a house there because I could just get that it would fall.
Have you got it?
Yeah. I did that.
That's good. Well, you just won't be a bit, are you?
What?
Amelia's having a chill.
The hats came.
The hats come. Well, they're certainly enjoying it anyway. Well, it's not a bad day. It's at least it's sunny and dry. Wind's a bit cold, but I think grandkids are enjoying themselves. Last view at Minster. Getting a bit narrow, this bit of wall. Are we hungry? Are we hungry? We'll find somewhere to eat then. So at least you've walked some at City Walls, haven't you?
Can I take a picture of all of that? Alright, you stay with me.
I say, how many times you come to York and you always see something different, don't you? Time to go into York Castle Museum. Right, so that's Castle Museum. You can only take pictures, no videos. So I'll have a little photo montage of what I've seen. Hopefully they'll be alright. Get back and have a rest now. First part we're alright, second part not really interesting for kids.
Well, not for the kids.
No.
I just want to take a video of the road.
You go to Middle Road. Right, so it's our last night, getting them ready for bed. They've just gone for a shower and that at Shower Block. We've had a really good couple of days, well, a full day in York. As you've seen, we've been to the Jorvik Centre and also the Castle Museum and had a wander around York. So if you've liked what you've seen, don't forget, give us that thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing and also click that little notification bell. It's all free. Me and Karen are going to go back for a nice rest tomorrow, and we're not away until end of April now. So until the next video, we'll say goodbye for now. We'll see you wherever we're going at the end of April. Bye for now.